Hey guys, welcome back to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Chrome tabs after restarting your iPhone. If you had several tabs open before the restart and they disappeared, don't worry, you may still be able to find them. First, open the Chrome app on your iPhone. Once the Chrome is open, tap the three dot menu at the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Recent Tabs. Here, you can check your recently closed tabs and reopen any page you need. If you don't see the tab there, go back to the menu and tap the three dot. If you don't see the tab there, go back to the menu and tap History. Scroll through your browsing history and look for the website you had opened before restarting your iPhone. Once you find it, simply tap the page to open it again. If you're signed into Chrome and have syncing enabled, you can also check your recent tabs from other devices connected to the same Google account. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to recover Chrome tabs after restarting your iPhone. I hope this helped and thanks for watching.